Ymadrodd Cymraeg yr wythnos. Welsh phrase of the week. Brechlyn. Vaccine. Brechlyn. Brechlyn Ffliw. The flu vaccine. Brechlyn Ffliw. Brechlyn COVID-19. COVID-19 vaccine. Brechlyn COVID-19. Brechlyn Atgyfnerthu. Booster vaccine. Brechlyn Atgyfnerthu. Dach chi wedi cael eich brechlyn? Have you had your vaccine? Dach chi wedi cael eich brechlyn? Do, dwi wedi. Yes, I have. Do, dwi wedi. Naddo, dwi ddim wedi. No, I haven't. Naddo, dwi ddim wedi. Here are some examples of answers to answer the question, Dach chi wedi cael eich brechlyn? Have you had your vaccine? Do, dwi wedi cael y 2 brechlyn COVID-19 a'r brechlyn ffliw hefyd. Do, dwi wedi cael y 2 brechlyn COVID-19 a'r brechlyn ffliw hefyd. Yes, I've had the 2 COVID-19 vaccines and the flu vaccine also. Naddo, dwi ddim wedi cael y brechlyn ffliw eto, ond dwi'n mynd i gael y brechlyn wythnos nesaf. Naddo, dwi ddim wedi cael y brechlyn ffliw eto, ond dwi'n mynd i gael y brechlyn wythnos nesaf. No, I haven't had the flu vaccine yet, but I'm going to get the vaccine next week. Cofiwch, defnyddiwch eich Cymraeg. Remember to use your Welsh. For more information regarding Welsh language training, email the address below. Diolch am wrando. Hwyl!